Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can design the single switch on off control in Siemens PLC logo. Maybe two switches are set reset functions. Already you understand in my previous videos how we can design this one control. But in this video, I will explain you by the single switch, yani just one push on and one push off, how we can make the on off. Already I designed this program in my PLC, and also I will show you. You can see if I press this one single switch, single time I press, my output will be on, and again I will press, our output will be off. Again I will press on, again press off. But how is this design? I just explain you because of which we can save our time. How this function works, I just explain you. For an example, I1, I choose my first input to execute the program. Yani means single switch on off. For example, I will give the block properties in the comment also. I will give here yani start, stop. This is our start stop push button. Okay, and this we can give it the here comment, and this is we can give the comment in the block properties comment motor. For example, motor, motor, we can give the comment motor. This is our motor, and we need to start and stop this motor by the single switch, look like a toggle. If you are using like to use the push button, so you can use this one I1, and after you can start your motor on and off. You can save your money, and you can use just single push buttons, maybe 10 motors if you are using like to make design the control on off. So you no need to be two buttons using start and stop. You can just choose this single push button, and after you can start stop your motor. In the simulation, if for example I will show you, I make this one simulation, and after I will make it little small because complete program you will be see. As I give the signal at the I1, after you can see our motor is now on, and again when I give the signal, after this will you will be see our motor is off. This one is on, and again give the signal, it will be off. See, this is the function look like working single push button on and off. And first I will download this program into the PLC, and also we will test our logic by the real PLC, and after I will explain you. Just complete see the video, after you will be complete understand. Test your connection and click OK, and it will be start downloading. Click yes, and again click yes, and your program will be successfully downloaded to the PLC. And now we will make the simulation on, and means online monitoring. So I will open camera also, and we will make it little here. And this is this our output is connected, and this is our input. And for example, I give the signal at I1, you can see our output is now here in the program also on, and here output also you can see is the on. And again when I give the signal, after you can see our output is off, in the program execution also it's off. One more time will be test, and again when on, and this is the again off, on, off, off, on. How many times you like to make start stop, you can see. But how it works, I will explain you. Stop this one. For example, in FBD language, how program designed, when you like to push this I1 after your first this AND block will be activated, and with this AND block B11, also B5 and B9 and B3 will be active. But in case of this is inversion of the logic, you can see this is the B5 is now open command means, and this is close. Here signal, when you push this one, here signal will be not enter, but here it will be enter. And after this will be next, you can see this is the M10. What we will be make when we press this one, our M10 will be goes into the set condition look like, and by itself yani is out voltage yani make it holding with this M10. I make this also B3 control, B3 and logic yani. When this one M10 is on, after this is B3 will be on, and with this M10 our M11 will be goes into reset. And when this one M11 will be set, after this is our B2 block will be active, and also B9 will be active. And when this M11 also we make it holding with the M11 also, because of I make it conversion at the output of this. When you like to, for example, when you like to make the holding circuit, so what you will be do, you have to be open contact use of the M11, and also make it the hold with the yani open contact. And after next with the M11 we make it hold with the M12. You can from the B1 block we hold the M12, and M12 when hold it, after we can use this close contact look like yani this is B11, and this is the M20. M20 words to M20 controls our make the resets our M12. So same this circuit will be runs. When you push this one, your M10 will be set, and output your, this is internal memory, and this is your external output. When you push this one time, after this will be on, M10 will be hold, and when again press, it will be goes to reset with the M11, and after M11 to reset set with the M12. You can see this circuit is also I can make it the zoom, and also you will be see better visual. You can see I will press this one I1, and you can see is where it's connected. You can see here is the which lines are connected. B3, the 2 signal, you can see this is the 2, B3 2, this one B3, and this is the connected with the 2 number. And here you can see B9 connected to yani B3, B5, B9 and B11. B11, B9, where is the B9? I'll show you 1 minute. This is the B9, okay, and after this is B11, this is the B11. Here where this is the pulse going, that will be shown here in the description also. And next you can see this is the B2 where is connected. This is the M11 to B2 block. This is the B2 block. We are going this line. This is the M11, and after this is B1 is the where connected. You can see this is the coming from M12, and it with the B1. It's coming from the M12, and this is you can see this is connected with the holding contact yani M11 B002. Same as this one also, this is the B5. You can see this is the holding contact take from the M10, and this is B7 is the take the holding contact of the M20. M20 yani means make the reset to the B M12. M12 is where connected. Also you can see this diagram. See this diagram in the this pink, yellow color lines that's connected here. And also when you make it in the simulation position, you can see this all program in the simulation condition. This lines will be highlighted, and as we press this one, you can see this is our circuit will be completed and our Q1 output will be on. And same this program, if you like to see in the online mode, you just stop the simulation and you can make this online monitoring. Wait for some time and click it OK. And after you can see our now online mode is ready. Here also you can status see which relays our on and off. Here can be see M10, M11, M12, M20 and Q1. When we press this one I1, after our M10 will be set and our Q1 will be set. I will make it this in the camera also. I can show you. See, when I press this one, you can see our M10, M11 and Q1 is on. But when we press this one again, after M12 and M20, small fraction of time this M20 will be on. Not any continue. This is just make for using for the reset function look like. Focus on this one M20. I will press this one again. You can see this is a small time yani, just on, give the signal and on and off. M12 just on and off, and M20 will be make it on and off. This is by the I think so cannot be seen, but it's working. As I press this one I1, M10, M11 and Q1 is on, and here also you can see M10, M11 and our Q1 is now on. And when we press it back, all program will be closed and all things are closed. So hope guys you will be understand about this program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.